Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 281, Design Studio versus Management App. In our last tip, we talked at a high level about the Power Pages Design Studio. In this tip, I wanted to discuss why features that already exist in the Management app are being added to the Design Studio. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The Power Pages Management app is a model-driven Power app that has been part of the product since the days of ADX Studio. It is the original interface used to build and administer the websites. For many years, most of what you could do with the product could be done in this app. However, the user experience of the app hasn't always been ideal. Model-driven Power apps are quick to build, but not always the most intuitive. As the target audience for Power Pages makers shifted towards the low and no-code world, the user experience for makers became a higher priority. So the Power Pages Design Studio was introduced. It is essentially all custom code, giving the product team the flexibility to create interfaces tailored to the tasks associated with creating Power Pages sites. I think it'll be a long time, or possibly never, before the management app goes away. It just may not make sense to build a new UI for every possible feature in Power Pages. In the meantime, however, you can expect that more and more features will be added to the Design Studio. And when those features show up there, the user experience will be far superior to what existed in the Management app. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 281 on Design Studio versus Management app useful.